there is something called Archicad external libraries. We have it in our seller store in case you want to get it. They also have columns you can just easily put in your designs, already made columns that are beautiful. So we can see one here in our object. Once you come to object, you see these are our Archicad external libraries. Once you search on columns, it will show you a lot of amazing columns. So you can see different columns that you wouldn't find in Archicad. You can see some crazy beautiful columns. You can't find this in Archicad. So we have it in our seller store, in our store for you to just get at a very cheap amount. So let me just try using this one first, then before we get to the business. So let me just pick this. The height at which I want to place my column is going to go down to -600. Then my column height is around 6'3", so I'll type in 6'3", and I click OK, and I come to my ground floor plan and place the column right here. So let's see how the column works. Can make the column a little bit bigger in size, which is here around, let's use 450 and 450. Can also make it to 600. Let's just see how this is first. So you can see this. So this is already made columns and is very beautiful. This is from Archicad external library. We also have many other that you can use for your design. I can change this to another column we have. So we have another column. There are many different types. Just you can see this one. It's also amazing. 6'3". So okay. So this is already made column. You can see these already made columns, so that you can use for your design, even your royal designs. You can check out another one. 6'3". Now can increase the size, maybe 500 by 500. So you can see this, making your design sharp. You can't create this kind of column. You only can get them in Archicad external libraries, and we have them. We have amazing libraries for you. So let's check out another column. That will be the last one we'll be checking. We have a lot of columns, you can see them. So let's just check the last one for today. Let's use this, and it's going to 6'3". You can choose to increase it a bit to around 500 by 500. So let's check this. Wow, this is amazing columns. So as you can see, you can even choose to edit it. You can make this theme sticker in the settings. So this is already made columns in Archicad. So you can get these Archicad external libraries and get access to a lot of files, you can see files that you get with your interior designs. You can see amazing pools that you cannot find anywhere of different shapes. You can see street light, modern ones. So just get external libraries and make your designs beautiful and more realistic. All these things are in Archicad external libraries. All these modern bulbs and lights, they are all in Archicad external libraries. In this file, in this thing we are proposing for you to get, they are all here. All these things. You can see modern gate, modern rails, you can see vehicles, and okay.